Integrating Calendly with your website allows visitors to book appointments directly, enhancing their experience and streamlining scheduling. Here's how to integrate Calendly with your website. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Go to the event type you want to embed on your website. Access the embed options. On your Calendly dashboard, navigate to the Share button next to the event type. Select Add to Website, where you will see three main options for embedding. Inline Embed displays the full Calendly scheduling page directly on your site. Pop-up widget adds a small widget icon that visitors can click to open a pop-up for scheduling. Pop-up text adds a text link that opens a Calendly pop-up when clicked. Copy the embed code. Choose your preferred embed option, then customize its appearance and settings if desired. Calendly will generate an HTML code snippet. Copy this code. Embed the code on your website. Go to your website editor and paste the code into the HTML of the page where you want Calendly to appear. For example, in WordPress, you can use a custom HTML block. Publish or test. Save or publish your web page, then test the integration to make sure it works smoothly.